Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel The GENIE. Today I am going to show you 12 Udemy courses for free. So let's go to the screen. These are the 12 Udemy courses, paid courses which you are getting for free. They are rating also good, so you can join in these courses. First course is about affiliate marketing. If you want to gain passive income from doing you can get passive income from doing affiliate marketing. They will show you all the skills and all the tutorials how you can do affiliate marketing through social media platforms. And second course will be like shell code for ethical hacking. Those who want to learn ethical hacking, so you can join in this. They will be showing tutorials and scratch and how to hack illegally. This is a legalized one. And your third course will be power of BI. If you want to do data visualization, if you want to collect data and you want to visualize it, then you can use this course. They will show you the Microsoft Power BI app and how to utilize this. It's about business intelligence. So your fourth course will be develop your listening skills. If you want to develop your listening skills and you have to shine at your work and in your life, by listening skill you can communicate more easily. So you can take this course. Your fifth course will be English language. If you want to learn English language, so you can take this course. By learning this course, you will be improve your English speaking skill and you can communicate with anyone. So you can take this course. Rating is 4 point. Rating is also about 4.5 percentage. So I recommend you to join this course. Your sixth course about GitHub. Those who want to learn GitHub, this 3-hour crash course, they will show you the key concept and workflow of GitHub by step tutorials. Your seventh course will be is about Weka. This course they will show you about Weka in 30 minutes, so you can join in this course. This is a science course and engineering course. The eighth course will be it is loading checkpoint CCSA R80. This is about firewall administration, master repair checkpoint blades. Your eighth course I think so. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Your ninth course will be this is the ninth course. It's loading, network is too slow. What to do? Advanced data science techniques. If you want to learn data science, so you can take this course. You'll develop your skills like SPSS skills, most high level data analysis. You can analyze the data through SPSS program. Your 10th course will be how to catch customers, how to give a better service to customers. So you can take this course and in this course they will show you how to attract customer and how to give a better customer service to your customer, and you can increase your skills, business skills through this course. Your 11th course will be SPSS For Research. This is also data visualization course, and if you want to analyze the data with a statistical analysis with SPSS. If you want to analyze the data using statistical, so you can use this course. The last course will be the PHP course of 2020. In this course they will show you video tutorials, practicals, how to do code with this. This is a programming language. Using this language you can do magics. It's a good one. So those who want any other courses, please put in my comment box, then I can give you all those courses. What course you need? you just put in my comment box. In next video I'll bring that course for you. So this course is absolutely free. You'll get a certificate after completing this course, and you can increase your skills, all those things. So thank you friends. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe, and to share to your friends as much as possible, so it will be helpful to them. So thank you friends. Bye bye.